What's going on YouTube? It's SK13 and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of an install video and then a mini review on a windscreen on the MT03. If you check out my other video up here, if you remember from my MT03 review video, I mentioned that one thing that I wish was different was that it came with a mini windscreen just because I like the look of it. So today we're going to be doing a little install of a windscreen that I got from AliExpress. Yamaha's website was all sold out of their OEM version, so it's the best we got. And after I do the install, we'll do a little mini review on whether it's actually helpful or not. I seriously doubt it is, but we'll see, right? All right, let's get to it. All right, guys, so here's the kit. Comes with the windscreen, obviously. It has two brackets with 6 holes, 2 on the end, 1 in the middle. The middle one is what attaches to your motorcycle. Then we have a kit with some bolts and some spacers and the Allen key. First step, insert the washer into the smaller screws. Step 2, insert the screw like so that the face of the screw is facing the front of the windshield. Step 3, insert the bracket like so that the middle hole is facing out when the shield is flipped over like this. Step 4, insert the rubber stopper. You screw it into the screw, and then when you put on all 4, you can go ahead and use the Allen key to tighten it. Make sure you don't tighten it too hard because it is cheap plastic. And this is what it should look like. Here's from the front and then from the back. As you can kind of see here, that middle hole, the bracket, should be facing the outside. Step 5. There's 2 bolts on the bike, one on each side in the front right above the headlight. Go ahead and use the Allen key to take both of them off. Pro tip, loosen both first before taking them off. Step 6, screw on the screw that you just took off and put it in that middle hole in the bracket of the shield. And this is what the finished product looks like. It kind of looks clear, might just be the lighting in the garage, but overall I think it looks great. But you know what we said, we're going to do a mini review, so let's take it out on the streets and see what we find out. Let's go. Alright guys, where else to test a windscreen than on the freeway? If this traffic ever lets us though. Yo, guys, I feel no wind at all. This windscreen, it's amazing. Just kidding guys, that was totally a joke. Let's see, I don't know, as far as wind protection goes, I do feel a little bit less wind in my core region down here, but other than that, when I'm in my normal riding position, it's all the same, to be honest. It makes no difference. Maybe if I tuck, let's see if that makes a difference. Yeah, I mean, when tucking, it is a little bit quieter. There's a lot less wind noise, so that's good. However, you know, for the majority of the riding that I'm doing, I'm not tucked in, so it doesn't really make a difference for me. But when I am tucked in, I guess it is a little bit quieter, so I guess that is a plus. And here we are. Well, should you get a windscreen on an MT03 or a naked of this size right here, if you want it for the wind protection, absolutely not. I mean, if you're tucking, it makes it a little bit quieter, like I said earlier, but other than that, you don't really have any wind protection. If you want it just for the looks, I think it looks really good. It's a little bit more clear. I guess it's just the lighting for this one, but it is supposed to be tinted, so if you look at it at the right angle, sometimes it'll be, you know, just very tinted, and in this angle right here, as you can see, you can kind of see through it. I think that's fine with me. For a cheap little, you know, AliExpress / eBay kind of piece, it's not too bad, and I really like the look of it, and that's why I wanted it. So I think if you want it for that, it's great. If you want it for the wind protection, steer clear. Well, that's it for this little mini review. If you like the video, drop a like, comment down below if you have any questions or you want to know where to get this piece specifically, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.